In this lesson, we will learn how to transform objects in the scene view. Transforming objects involves modifying their position, rotation, and scale. We learned how to do that in previous lesson using the inspector panel. We will use the scene view in this lesson. First, select the object you want to transform in the scene view or hierarchy panel. In the scene view, you can transform the selected object using toolbar at the top left corner of the scene view. To use the tools, click on the corresponding icon in the toolbar or press the associated hotkey. Then, click and drag the appropriate handle in the scene view to transform the object. There are three main tools for transforming objects in the toolbar. Select the Move tool or press the W key to move the object along the X, Y, and Z axes. Select the Rotate tool or press the E key to rotate the object around the X, Y, and Z axes. Select the Scale tool or press the R key to scale the object along the X, Y, and Z axes. Let's create more objects and transform them around the scene. In the Hierarchy panel, right-click, then select 3D Object and select Sphere. Right-click again, then select 3D Object and select Plane. Select the objects in the scene view and transform them around. I will select one object and press the W key to move it in the scene. I will do the same to move the other object. Great job!